Every day, more and more products are waiting for customers in online stores. But social media platforms have captured most of the consumer's attention. This makes it harder to get people to notice products. Because of this, many producers are willing to pay a good amount of money to anyone who can help showcase and sell their products. That's exactly what we should aim for. Here's my business plan. We will create 12 short videos to grab attention and 3 promotional shorts to highlight products. We'll upload 1 promotional short after every 4 regular shorts. I'm going to use YouTube to upload the videos and Amazon as the affiliate program. There are many affiliate programs available, so you can choose the one that suits you. If you spend a few minutes researching on YouTube, you'll find plenty of channels that succeeded just by uploading AI-generated videos. Today I'll show you how to create promotional and attention-grabbing shorts using TopView AI. It's an online video editor that makes creating viral content easy and fast. Using TopView.ai is super easy. Go to the website and click Create Video. You can use this platform directly with many marketing platforms like YouTube, Amazon, eBay, or even the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. I'm going to use the link of a random Amazon product. All you have to do is paste the link and click Analyze. The AI will automatically gather information and media to create the video. Select the materials you want and click Continue, then wait for them to process. You can use the title and description automatically provided or edit them as you see fit. Click on More Options to select a script style based on your needs. You can also choose the video length, end card, or watermarks. At the bottom, you can select the language, aspect ratio, voice model for the text-to-speech feature, and an avatar if you want a realistic presenter for your product. After selecting the necessary options, click Generate. Don't worry if you miss something. You can re-edit these options on the next page. It will take some time to generate the scripts. You can preview 3 auto-generated scripts, and you can request more if needed. A video preview is automatically generated for the first script, which will take some more time. But if you want it for another, click the preview button next to the script. After processing, you can view the video and either export it or adjust it to your liking. I'll show you how to make more adjustment to the generated video by using their on-site tools. In the editing window, all the frames and materials used in the video are synced with the script. You can replace materials with your own files or AI-generated images. Click AI Image Creation and just type a brief description of the image you want, and the AI will generate it. You can either download the image or add it directly to your design assets. From the left panel, you can select the image style, size, or the number of images to generate. For this, I'm going to use a landscape image. After generating, select the ones you want to replace and confirm. As mentioned earlier, you can add an AI avatar to your frames here. Select the model you want, choose the style, and decide which frames to include the avatar in, then apply. You can also edit the script in this window. I'll use the provided one. From the left side, you can add your own content and stickers. The platform is designed to cater to the most popular social media trends and events. From the top menu, choose background music that suits your content, upload your own, or select from their library. If you want to change the caption style, you can do it here. Preview your changes and either export the video or go back to the script page for additional changes. This will take some time. If everything's in order, you can export the video. When exporting, you can choose to include their watermark or remove it. Once the export is complete, download the video. Your video is now ready to capture attention on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Let's have a look.
Welcome to the world of Amazon innovation, transforming entertainment with technology and convenience. Amazon is committed to enriching everyday life with technology, bringing seamless entertainment solutions to homes worldwide. Introducing the certified refurbished Amazon Fire TV 50 Omni Series. Experience brilliant 4K UHD with HDR10 and Dolby Digital Plus. Hands-free control with built-in Alexa for ultimate convenience. Customers love streaming over 1 million movies and shows. Enjoy your favorite subscriptions like Netflix and Disney+. Bring all entertainment, games, and music together effortlessly. Amazon continues to innovate with new Alexa skills and features. Join us in redefining smart home entertainment every day.
TopView AI simplifies the process of creating professional quality videos. It's a perfect tool for anyone looking to stand out in today's crowded digital space. Try it today and take your content to the next level. See you in the next video.